And today we are opening up this set. As you can see, Ariel and Barbie are super cool. Her pink dress with gold, and Ariel has a pink dress with stripes like a zebra. And as you can see, Ariel's baby hair. Shake that hair. And Ariel's one is a little baby that at top. Look at that hair. Shake that hair. Shake it down. And look, we have this cool set over here that you can see everything that Barbie and Ariel needs. So that's the sticker, a mirror, sticker, and mirror. So this is a very short movie, and I need you to see properly. If you guys love it, please get thumbs up. Because this is a very short movie, but it's not over yet. And we also have a purple bag. As you can see, it's purple. And we also have a handle over here. Over here, we also have a handle with a bow on it. That's super cool. And we have this thing over here to clean the clothes and drop the clothes down on the floor. As you can see, we have little hangers. Wait, what's the hanger? Where's the hanger? Where's the hanger? Where's the hanger? Here it is. So here's the small hanger, but you see it's big. It's actually small and have Barbie face over here, but you can't see it, I guess. And we also have a sunglasses. Oops, drops. And look, we have a sunglasses. Look, this are the sunglasses. Oh, it's same like the hanger is a little bit big. That top, and this do have wavy lines. I mean, it does have wavy lines, but it just feels very good. And we also have Ariel with her wavy hair. Shake that hair. And as you can see, his Barbie face is very beautiful with a beautiful earring. Wait for a sec. And here it is, a beautiful earring. And this is very beautiful heart earring. And look at her lipstick. That's super beautiful. And look at her bright eyes. Beautiful Barbie. Shake that hair like a messy. Shake that hair. So this is all for the video, guys. Goodbye. Daddy, 我做完了子呀。Shake that hair. Now you two shake that hair. And this is the end of the video. So bye bye, guys.